Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So whenever we discuss about SEBI Grade A, most of the time discussion revolves around strategy. How to prepare for SEBI Grade A? How can you prepare effectively for SEBI Grade A? और अगर हम strategy से थोड़ा हटकर कुछ बात करते हैं, then I would say most of the times it is related to salary. बहुत सारी videos आपको salary से related मिल जाएंगी. But there is very less information available related to transfers, training, posting, promotions, departments and responsibilities. तो यही सारी चीजें आई थिंक दैट रियली डिफाइन सेबी ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर और इनको ज्यादा डिस्कस नहीं किया जाता है बट इन दिस वीडियो आई वुड बी डिस्कसिंग ऑल दिस विच विल गिव यू अ कंप्लीट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ जॉब प्रोफाइल ऑफ सेबी ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर। तो इसको डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में और उससे पहले मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहता हूं दिस इज कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव गाइड व्हाट वी हैव कम अप विद फॉर सेबी ग्रेड ए एग्जाम। इसमें आपको सेबी से रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, सेबी ग्रेड ए एग्जाम से रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। If I specifically talk about three things, you will get detailed syllabus of SEBI in this guidebook. You will get detailed book list and resources for SEBI in this guidebook, and you will also get detailed previous year questions of SEBI, which is very, very important for you to read, understand, and analyze, because it is only through understanding of previous year questions that you will be able to decide that how to read, what to read, in what time frame to read. तो इस guidebook को आज ही download कीजिए. The link to download this guidebook is given in the description of this video, and it is completely free to download this. तो आज ही इसको download कीजिए, पढ़िए, enjoy this, and get your next dose of motivation for SEBI Grade A. So now, regarding the job profile of SEBI Grade A, we would be discussing it under these aspects: training, posting, departments, रिस्पेक्ट एंड सैलरी, वर्क कल्चर एंड टाइमिंग्स, ट्रांसफर्स, प्रमोशंस एंड द फन एलिमेंट। तो ये सारे हेड्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे। लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द ट्रेनिंग। सो वंस यू ज्वाइन सेबी ग्रेड ए देयर इज अ फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग हैपनिंग टू यू, ठीक है, दैट हैपेंस इन NISM कैंपस। NISM स्टैंड्स फॉर नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज मार्केट, which actually conducts a lot of certifications in various domains of finance for the people who want to build a career in capital markets. So NSM campus है around 50 kilometers from Mumbai. This is a beautiful place. Most of the times the weather is awesome here. Your training takes place from 9 to 5. Most of the lectures are taken by senior people of SEBI. They will let you know about the working of SEBI, how does SEBI works, what are the challenges. Everything would be told to you in detail. So that is just the starting point for you, right, to get inducted into SEBI. और 9 to 5 की ट्रेनिंग रहती है. After 5 you have a lot of time to enjoy your life. यहाँ पे काफी फैसिलिटीज हैं, टेबल टेनिस, जिम, स्विमिंग पूल, बैडमिंटन, सो यू कैन एंजॉय योर लाइफ हियर। और पार्टीज वार्टीज तो लोग करते ही रहते हैं वंस दे ज्वाइन हियर। सो इट्स अ गुड प्लेस टू बी फॉर द फर्स्ट 4 to 6 to 8 weeks. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर करियर इन सेबी. Next is posting. So many people are actually concerned about whether they will get home posting or not. So the reality is that home posting is very, very difficult unless and until you are from Maharashtra. Most of the people, around 90% of the workforce gets posted in Mumbai only, that is the headquarter. Though SEBI has regional offices in north like Delhi, Shimla, Chandigarh, in south like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, in east like Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, but the strength at these offices is very, very minimal. To just give you an example, Delhi, which is the second largest office, has less than 100 people there. So you can imagine that what is the probability of you getting transferred to any other location apart from Mumbai. Initial posting तो आपकी मुंबई में ही होगी, उसके बाद कहीं और पोस्टिंग मिलना it's not going to be easy. Even if you request it, there has to be a very valid reason for that. ठीक है, तो बहुत कम चांस है मुंबई से बाहर पोस्टिंग मिलने का. So be ready to serve in Mumbai if you want to become a part of SEBI. Next is departments and responsibilities. So SEBI में there are a lot of departments. I would be discussing the main ones. जैसे एक है आपका corporate finance department, right? So which basically looks into the regulations and supervision related to mergers, acquisitions, and takeovers. So if you're really a finance enthusiast, I think corporate finance department is something appropriate for you. Then Department of Economic and Policy Analysis, which is basically into research work. So SEBI has to analyze a lot of data, has to do a lot of research before formulating any policy or regulation. So this department basically does all the research work for SEBI. Then Department of Debt and Hybrid Securities, right? So debt securities or hybrid securities. Hybrid securities are a mix of debt and equity. इनके लिए एक अलग department है, which kind of again supervises and regulates the debt and the hybrid part of capital markets. Then Enforcement Department. तो काफी लोग जो सेबी की गाइडलाइंस को वायलेट करते हैं, राइट, सेबी नीड्स टू पनिश देम. सो एनफोर्समेंट डिपार्टमेंट का यही काम है to make sure that the guidelines are enforced. If not, then they are prosecuted or they are penalized for that. So काफी powerful department रहता है. Next is recovery and fund department. So SEBI अगर किसी को penalty लगाता है, right? SEBI says that you have to say pay 1 crore as a penalty for the violation you have done. And if that person is not giving that penalty, then recovery and fund department will actually come into the picture and they will try to recover that amount. Not try, in fact, they will have to recover that amount and they will have all the powers. Then journal services department, so जो भी एक facilitating services है, for example internal accounts of SEBI, SEBI के भी accounts maintain होते हैं, कितना revenue आया, कितना खर्चा हुआ. Then security at SEBI, then facilities management, आपकी electricity सही काम कर रही है, AC सही काम कर रहे हैं, canteen सही काम कर रही है, all that will come under facilities management, which is a part of journal services department. Then IT department, so those who get recruited in IT domain will go to IT department. So SEBI की website होगी और SEBI also interlinks itself with a lot of other stock exchanges or stock brokers to fetch data from their channels. So वो सारा IT department करता है. Then there is legal affairs department. So all those who will get recruited under legal, like legal domain, they will be part of legal affairs department. So SEBI बहुत सारे suits file करती है, cases लड़ती है, because say if they have found somebody violating something, they will penalize it, but that person can challenge that penalization or order of SEBI in SAT, right? So ऐसे जब वो challenge होता है SAT में, then in higher courts SEBI has to fight those cases. So they are represented by people from legal affairs department. Then market intermediaries regulation and supervision department. So all those market intermediaries such as brokers, merchant bankers, investment bankers, custodians, all these intermediaries which are acting as intermediaries between say the stock exchanges and the people, right, who want to trade in capital market. In intermediaries ki regulation or supervision is also taken care by this department. Then vigilance department, which is almost there in every government office, I would say. So if any SEBI employee is part of any wrongdoing, then you can complain to the vigilance department, which will take its course of action and will find out the truth. So ये कुछ departments हैं. Now there might be question in your mind, sir, which is the best department for SEBI? See, again, this word best depends upon your perception, your interest area. There is nothing like कि ये department best है. But अगर आपका finance में बहुत ज़्यादा genuine interest है, I would say corporate finance department. Research and data में if you are interested, Department of Economic and Policy Analysis. If you are somebody who like PAR, then maybe enforcement department is one where you can go. So it entirely depends upon your interest area. I think all the departments are good. They give you good exposure. और ये चीज आपके perception पे depend करेगी, आपके interest पे depend करेगी, तो आपको decide करना पड़ेगा. Moreover, there is nothing like that. Once you get into one department, you will be there for your entire life. No, they will give you inter-departmental transfers, right? तो वो काफी बार आपको शायद नहीं भी ट्रांसफर किया जा सके if you're really doing good there and you have good rapport with your boss, but आपको ट्रांसफर करने की पॉलिसी है और आपको डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स का एक्सपोजर देने की भी पॉलिसी है, राइट? तो ये कुछ डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं. नाउ अबाउट रिस्पेक्ट एंड सैलरी, सी for a common man, I would say SEBI might be something which is unknown. But in the banking sector, capital market sector, insurance sector, pension sector, everybody knows about SEBI. So it's a big head turner. It's a big head turner when you say that I work with SEBI. Everybody will see you with that respect कि यार बंदा SEBI में है, ठीक है? And that happens, actually happens. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है अभी आपको ये देखिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो नहीं बन गए हैं SEBI में, but you're doing job in Infosys, say McKinsey, and there is one person working in SEBI. Obviously he would get a more eyeballs, right, towards him. Then you might have many a time secret information to keep with you, ठीक है, regarding various companies, their functioning. तो इसीलिए आपको एक तरह से एक रिस्पेक्ट, एक पावर भी है आपके पास कि आपके पास काफी सीक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पीपल माइट टेल यू और बताओ यार क्या चल रहा है, यार क्या खरीदें, but you are not supposed to disclose anything. Then you will not be allowed to invest in markets, right, except through mutual funds. तो आप ये कुछ invest नहीं कर सकते हैं. And you will also get to meet some industry big shots, ठीक है, बहुत बड़े बड़े brokers से आप मिल सकते हैं, CEOs of big companies, right, as part of some investigation, as part of some policy making, as part of some committee report, you will get opportunities to meet CEOs of big brokers of India. और सैलरी की बात करें तो अच्छी है, राइट, आई नॉट गोइंग टू डिटेल ऑफ दैट, बट 20 से 22 लाख सिटी से आपका बन जाता है, और इन हैंड भी आपको 1 से 1.5 लाख के बीच में आ जाएगा। रेस्ट इट इज अबाउट लाइक योर HRA, देन लॉट ऑफ अलाउंसेस जो आपके शायद बैंक अकाउंट में नहीं आएंगे बट आपको वो अवेल होंगे। और सेबी में there are good opportunities in the private sector. So even if you say work in SEBI for 5 to 7 years and you have good licensing in SEBI and you learn a lot during that period, there is always good opportunity. तो अगर आपको कभी लगे कि यार मैं यहाँ पे 50 लाख कमा रहा हूँ but my say batchmate is earning 80 lakhs in the private sector, you can always shift back, right? But people will not, because once you're working in an organization like SEBI, जो job security है ना, वो एक बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो आपको प्राइवेट सेक्टर में करोड़ों रुपए देने पे भी नहीं मिल सकती है। Next, we move on to the work culture and work timing. See, यहाँ पे work culture is good in a sense that it's a corporate like culture. सरकारी culture नहीं है कि ठीक है फाइल है पड़ी है चलता रहेगा जब होगा देख लेंगे। SEBI has to move very fast. Like it has to be ahead of the stock market, stock exchanges. तो यहाँ पे corporate culture नहीं है, proper एक private company जैसा culture है, बहुत ही professional environment है and you are bound to deliver. आप काम को लटका नहीं सकते हैं। बट थोड़ा सा एक नेगेटिव चीज है तो लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्यूरोक्रेसी है मैं बोलूंगा, राइट, बिकॉज अगेन इट्स नॉट कंप्लीटली प्राइवेट, आई वुड से थोड़ा सा एक गवर्नमेंट का झलक आ जाता है। समटाइम्स यू नीड टू पैम्पर योर बॉस, समटाइम्स यू नीड टू एग्री विद योर बॉस, तो वो डिपेंड्स अपॉन हु इज योर बॉस एक्चुअली, नॉट एवरी पर्सन इज लाइक दैट। वो शायद प्राइवेट में भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बोले सेबी में ही है, ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा लेकिन ब्यूरोक्रेसी आपको मिलने को देख सकता है। वर्क टाइमिंग की बात करें, सो वर्क टाइमिंग्स ऑफिशियली आर फ्रॉम 9 to 5 days a week, but maybe in certain departments you are required to stay late or maybe you're required to work on weekends. So I know one of my student who is working in recovery department, right, so at times he has to work also on the weekends, but then there is a policy of SEBI that if you work on weekend minimum for 4 hours, then you get reimbursed for that as an extra amount of 3,000. तो आपको वो अप्रूवल लेना पड़ेगा, but if you have genuinely worked for that, you will get all the approvals and then you can take home 3,000. But this is not encouraged. Like generally, just to earn 3,000, you will not like to spoil your weekends. You will like to enjoy them. ये ज्यादा देर नहीं चल सकता है, 1-2 साल अगर आप कर भी लेंगे, आपको genuinely अगर कोई काम है. So this is about work culture and work timings. Now moving on to the transfers. देखिए, most of the workforce is in Mumbai. So transfers are rare, though they happen again, depending upon the needs of the organization. You might be moved from one place to another, or maybe they can be request based. Suppose there is a couple who has got married, or there is some physical disability to some person. So in that cases, you can request for transfer and it can be entertained or it cannot be entertained. बट मुंबई में आप रह सकते हैं पूरी जिंदगी अगर आप चाहते हैं, मे बी देयर इज अ वेरी लेस चांस दैट समबडी विल मूव यू आउट एज पर प्रेजेंट स्टेट। कल को से भी बहुत ग्रो कर गया और बाकी ऑफिस में काफी स्ट्रेंथ बन जाए, देन इट्स अ सेपरेट केस। तो मतलब अगेन पोस्टिंग से ही रिलेटेड है, होम स्टेट ट्रांसफर मिलने के बहुत कम चांस हैं, और अच्छी बात यह है कि ट्रांसफर अगर आप मुंबई में सेटल हो गए तो होने के बहुत कम चांस है। यू कैन बी इन मुंबई फॉर योर एंटायर लाइफ। प्रमोशंस की बात करें, सो यू स्टार्ट एज असिस्टेंट मैनेजर, ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर, then the hierarchy is like manager grade B, right, then assistant general manager which is grade C, deputy manager which is grade D, general manager which is grade E, and CGM, chief general manager, which is grade F. So this is like this, you move up the hierarchy, then executive director, whole time director, and chairperson. It is not easy to become executive director, and chairperson and whole time directors are appointed by government only, right? So there also it's a very dim chance, unless and until you perform really well, that you become a whole time director or chairperson. CGM तक काफी लोग पहुंच सकते हैं, पहुंचते भी हैं, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे जो आपकी प्रमोशंस हैं फ्रॉम ग्रेड A to B और B to C, दे आर नॉर्मली बिटवीन 3 to 5 years, राइट। सो आप अगले 10 या 7 से 10 साल में यू कैन बी ग्रेड C। परफॉर्मेंस, राइट, आपकी जो प्रमोशन है दैट विल, फर्स्ट इज टाइम इज वन ऑफ द कंस्ट्रेंट, मिनिमम एक्सपीरियंस आपको होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट इज performance, आपकी जो whatever your performance is during that period, it would be taken into account. And third is an interview would happen, right? So just like when you get recruited to SEBI grade A, you have to appear for an interview. Similarly, जब आप grade A से grade B में promotion के लिए जा रहे हैं, again you would have to appear for an interview. ठीक है, तो ये 3 चीजें रहेंगी which will decide your promotion. But what has been seen is that in last 2 batches, almost everybody has been promoted, right, from grade A to grade B within a span of say 3 to 4 years. तो जिन लोगों ने शायद 18 में ज्वाइन किया था वो ग्रेड बी बन चुके हैं मोस्ट ऑफ देम। तो इनिशियली आपको ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं आएगी फ्रॉम ग्रेड ए टू बी टू सी, बट देन आई थिंक वैकेंसीज विल ड्राई अप। डी ई एफ यहाँ पे कुछ ही लोग पहुंचेंगे हु विल बी एबल टू डिलीवर वेल ऑन मोस्ट ऑफ द पैरामीटर्स। And what about the fun element here? So I would say काफी fun element है. You would get free gym facilities, right? And then they keep organizing cricket, badminton tournaments, and sport kits are reimbursed for this tournament. Then there is an employee budget of 5,000 per month, per 6 months per employee. So what they do is they club that amount for the entire year, or 10,000 के budget में they go to some good place like Goa, maybe anything else where they can party in 10,000, stay one night there. And then a lot of holidays there, right? I would say 104 holidays in terms of Saturday and Sunday. Then there are national holidays like 15th August. 15 such holidays would be there. Then casual and ordinary leave amounting to 42. So almost like 160, 5 to 6 months you're on leave. That's good, right? So you have a lot of time to enjoy your life. It's really a good work-life balance at SEBI. So that is all from my side, guys. I hope आपको काफी clarity मिली होगी regarding the work profile, the job profile of SEBI Grade A officer. So salary is just one aspect. If you really can understand this and can be part of this, can fit into this, promotions, transfers, departments, then I think you should be considering SEBI Grade A. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.